Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use bookmarks in a Power BI. Before we started using bookmarks, let's understand what it is. Bookmark is a feature in a Power BI which allows us to create a snapshot of our reporting page, which includes setting filters, slicer, or visualizations. In this video, I'll be showing you two ways of using bookmark. One as a page navigator and the second one as a snapshot of the same page. So let's get started, guys. As you guys can see, I already have a demo dashboard ready for this process. So in the first part, that is a page navigator, what we're going to do is create a button that is going to take us to page 2, which includes just the raw data. So for this process, let's go back to page 1, insert a blank button, maybe put it right here. Then let's provide it some style. I want to give it text, saying data details. I want to correct the font color. I want to fill it maybe with green. Yep, that looks good. We're going to do the same thing. So you can copy the button by Control and C. Then go to page 2. Put it here. I want it like on the top. So, and let's change the name. Let's say main page. Okay, that sounds good. So the next thing we need to do is actually creating the bookmark. So let's go to the view, click on the bookmark. It will open up a new tab here. So let's start adding bookmark. So click add. I like to give it the name like instantaneously. So maybe just details or data details. Then for the first page, create a bookmark as well. Let's give it main. So next what we're going to do is click on the button. And now we want to give it action. So go to action, click on, I want to set it to bookmark. So this thing opens up where I can select data details. I can go to page 2, do the same thing with the button, click on it, give it an action, again bookmark, and then main. So what it's going to do is when I click on this button, it's going to take me to page 1, and if I click on this button, it's going to take me to page 2. So that's the first one. Let's get started with the second one. So in the second one, I want to do it on the same page. So what I will do is, on a click of a button, this graph will change into like a raw data format. So what we can do is, let's bring this table to the first page. Okay, I don't want to show it like so large, so maybe say just here. Let's give it a header as well. Details. Let's provide it the same heading that's already with the other ones. Put in the center. Okay, that looks somewhat similar. So here what I'm doing is I've overlapped these two visualizations, and we're going to create two bookmarks from the same one, but we're going to use this selection here. So what this selection allows is, it allows us to hide and show the visualization that we want to show. So for example, for the first one, I don't want this data details tab, but I like to have a button that says data details. But at the same time, we need another button to come back. So let's create that as well. I will like just place it on top here and give it a name, say main. So On the first bookmark, what we're going to do is we're going to like unselect the data details as well as this button. So we have the plain normal page that we had in the starting. I'm gonna go to the main one. You can create a new one, say main 2 or something else, or I can just create here, click here and click on update. So in the second part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove these two visualizations, like one this graph and one this button. So let's do that. Button and the graph is gone. And now let's bring the first ones back. So this seems okay. Let's update the data details as well. So just click on update. So that is ready. Now we just need to provide them the right action. So this one should be main. So when I click on this one, it takes me to another snapshot of the same reporting page. And let's check this one has the correct action. Yep, it has the data details. So if I click on this one, it will show me the table. That's the main function of bookmarks. So if you had any other questions, please comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.